If you weren't capable, the opportunity would have never come your way. That means that whatever opportunity went in your way, that means that you are more than capable of doing so for that opportunity. Last night, a friend of mine chatted me while I was having dinner. She chatted me, "Hey bro, do you want to be our guest speaker for an upcoming leadership seminar orientation?" Why did they chat me for this specific reason? I'm a nobody. I can't speak in front of a lot of people. I'm too shy, I'm too scared. And then I remember this quote, that opportunities would have never come your way if you weren't even capable for it. I asked myself, how did the opportunity went in my way? It must mean that I am capable, that these people saw potential in me, that I am more than capable of speaking in front of people, bestowing them the knowledge and